Buffet of choices. Too many options excite you, but more than that make you restless. I have eaten many good buffet meals in my life. 8 to 10 types of excellent starters, 7 to 8 vegetables, many types of salads, and more than half a dozen desserts. But after eating at buffet so many times, I realized that it is better to eat food with 2 vegetables of choice than to eat food with so many options. More worried about whether I have eaten all the items or not than enjoying the food. If you eat more starters, then you do not feel like eating the main course. If you want to eat the main course comfortably, then some other items are left out. On the other hand, if you eat food with 1 or 2 things, you can eat more comfortably. You eat with full focus and taste without feeling anxious, and you wake up more satisfied at the end. I think the same applies to doing something in life and becoming something. Life's buffet gives us a variety of options. We want to taste everything, want to see by lifting the lid of every jar. This desire to taste every dish makes us restless. That's why it is necessary that, like food, we eliminate most of the options for satisfaction in life. Focus on 1 or 2 things in which we get the most juice. Concentrate on that. Feel its texture. Inhale its fragrance and give your all to it. And if we do, we'll end up feeling as satisfied and fulfilled as we do after a sumptuous meal. Such a feast in which the restlessness of our soul goes away and a sweet feeling descends deep inside us.